Hi, I'm Mrs. St.Germain. I'm the fourth grade teacher here at Burton Elementary School. I'm so glad you're going to be in my classroom. I know that this year is going to be a little different because the first 9 weeks of school, we're going to be doing remote learning. And we may continue with that, but that's okay. We got this. I know you can do it. We're going to be learning a lot of new things in fourth grade. It's a lot of fun. We may be doing some tours, virtual tours, of course, right now. Maybe later in the year, we'll be able to do some field trips when we can be one-to-one again, hopefully. I'm very excited for this school year. As fourth graders, you're going to learn so many fun things. I want to know a lot about you. On Tuesday, we will be starting school. Remember, attendance will be taken. I'm going to be starting a class with you, and I will be sending you a letter in the mail. That letter will have in there your logins for Seesaw, because that's what we're going to be posting. I'll be posting lessons for you, and you'll be putting your work back for me. I will also have all your logins that you're going to need to start school. Be sure on Tuesday morning, be ready to start. I'm going to include the schedule, so take a look at our schedule.